We all know that giving blood can help save a life. Well, here at East Jefferson General Hospital, it's happening every day. But now we're focusing on platelets. What does that mean? How you can help and what it takes to be a platelet donor. Susan Persico from the Blood Bank tells us how you can be a donor hero.
East Jefferson General Hospital presents Healthy Lifestyles.
Blood is valuable because there's no substitute for blood. Scientists have not ever come up with a substitute for blood. And you can't stockpile it like you can stockpile beans and rice and toilet paper. Red cells are good for 42 days. Platelets are only good for 5 days. And plasma is good for 1 year until you thaw it, and then it's only good for 24 hours. Each of these blood products have a different function in the body. Red cells carry oxygen to the tissues. Platelets are small cells that help blood clot, along with some of the proteins and the factors in the plasma. What are we looking at in terms of platelets? Platelets are typically used for oncology patients and patients who receive a lot of blood, or patients who have clotting factor problems that are perhaps inherited. Platelets are small cells that work along with components in the plasma to help your blood clot. A donation of whole blood takes about 45 minutes start to finish from interview to snack. A donation of platelets takes about between an hour and a half based on their initial platelet count, because you want to get a certain number of platelets from the donor in order to have an effective dose to give the patient that will actually help them get better.
Being a donor is such a good feeling. So if you have some extra time, it's a good idea to check in at the blood bank. To find out more in terms of hours of operation and what it takes to be a donor, it's simple. Just go to our website, EJGH.org.